My name is Clash King. What's up, you guys? It's Clash Kings back at you. What's up, you guys? It's Clash Kings back at you with another Clash Clan episode, and today it's part 2 of how to go wipe. This is my composition. Yeah. Now, I requested bowlers only because if you guys in my clan actually have them, giants. I mean, poison spell I'm fine with, but I don't really get the point of the air sweeper. Just basically pushes something. But yeah, so we're gonna attack the guy. His name sounds like a whale. Torito. What's his name? I just remember that his name sounds like a whale. Like it sounds like some whale name. It's like Shore. Rudo. It wasn't Rudo. I think it started with the B. Yep. Okay. This is. He spent some of his Dark Elixir before he had over 2,000. Whatever, still a bunch of Dark Elixir. Going for it. Now. So first, we're probably never gonna get into the clan castle. This loot, this phrase for the loot. So what we're gonna do is put these two here. All of them, put down giants. Okay then. What? Kidding me. Now they're gonna be hitting this wall. I don't know where to put my pickish. Put another heal spell, I guess. Yeah, so after you create your funnel with your wizards, you put down your pickish. Oh no. Rage spell. Put out the poison on these guys. We got. Where's the rest of his Dark Elixir? Put down my king. Prick. God, king. Kings are pretty retarded. Haven't learned my lesson yet. Wizard clutch! Yes, baby! Wow. This is the most clutch wizard in the world. Wow. That wizard was too clutch. Wow. And I was like speechless for half that time, just watching this wizard. I was speechless. Okay, I can move my thumbnail so I can fast forward it. But okay. Drop my one of the heal spell a little too early. Don't drop. Wow. That wizard was too clutch. Wow. Wow. I mean, look. I think this guy's a bowler. No, he doesn't. Was it Matt? No, not Matt. Yeah, wait. I remember like 3 guys. I think it's RJH has it. No. Probably not Dantos. Yeah. Scorp, I think, has them. No, that's... I know. X-Man has them, I know. Yeah, X-Man. One guy has a Max, I was pretty sure. Walt doesn't have them. Nick. No, maybe... I could have sworn a guy had a Max. No. Wasn't Rob. Bren. Yeah. It can be a level 100 Town Hall 8. Seriously, how? Okay. Oh, maybe it's in the... But anyway, the point is, I requested for something and I didn't get it for my team. X-Man has them, okay. Cream doesn't have them. Cream doesn't. Anyway. See, our best war. Getting barbarians who didn't. Even with how the troops move out of it, like, if you drop it on the troops, you know how they move out of it now? Unless they're engaged. I don't even think with barbarians, archers, goblins, wall breakers. I think like little up to level 2 giants, they die. And I think minions too. Maybe no. Wait. No Hogstone, I don't think. Anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it with 3 Pekkas. Just trying it out. Okay, so that means shoot. I'm poor. I'm super poor. Dang it. How am I gonna train up wizards? Gosh dang it. Extra Pekka was a bad idea. But the show must go on. So, shoving over here. Shoving. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Wow. I actually can't wait to try it with 3 Pekkas. Well guys, that was part 1. Get ready for part 3.